If you're trying to figure out whether ConvertKit or Unbounce is the best landing page software, you're in the right place. Both tools promise to help you build high converting landing pages, but are they really the best choice for your needs? Stick around, because I'll walk you through the differences, the pros and cons, and ultimately, which one might be better for your goals. First, let's talk about the features. ConvertKit is primarily known as an email marketing platform, but it also offers landing page creation as part of its toolset. The main draw here is that it integrates seamlessly with ConvertKit's email automation and subscriber management tools. If you're already using ConvertKit for your email campaigns, adding a landing page to the mix is pretty simple. It has a drag and drop editor and a clean, minimalistic design that's perfect for anyone who wants something easy and quick. But here's the downside, its landing page options are somewhat limited. You don't get as much flexibility in terms of design and customization as you might with a dedicated landing page tool like Unbounce. Next, let's dive into Unbounce. Unbounce, unlike ConvertKit, is built specifically for landing pages. It's packed with templates, and you can get really creative with your designs. The drag and drop editor here is more advanced, offering tons of customization. You can add pop-ups, sticky bars, and even A/B test landing pages to see what converts best. If you're serious about optimizing your landing pages for conversions, Unbounce offers more robust features that you won't get with ConvertKit. But here's the catch, Unbounce is definitely pricier, and if you're just starting out or need something simpler, it might be overkill. Now, let's talk about pricing. ConvertKit has a free plan that's perfect for beginners, but once you want more than a basic landing page or need advanced features like automation, you'll need to pay. The paid plans are relatively affordable compared to Unbounce, making ConvertKit a more budget-friendly option for small businesses or solopreneurs. Unbounce, on the other hand, starts at a higher price point, which might be worth it for those who need its advanced features, but it's a bigger investment, especially for small teams or solo entrepreneurs. The fourth thing to consider is integrations. Both platforms offer decent integrations, but ConvertKit excels in connecting with email marketing tools, automation, and CRMs, which is perfect if you want to build a complete customer journey. Unbounce, however, integrates well with a broader range of tools, including analytics and CRM systems, but you might need to rely on Zapier for certain connections. Finally, the ease of use. ConvertKit is known for being beginner-friendly, especially if you're already familiar with its email platform. It's straightforward to create a simple landing page without much hassle. Unbounce, while user-friendly in its own right, has more advanced features, which means there's a steeper learning curve, especially if you're not experienced with landing page design or marketing. In conclusion, ConvertKit and Unbounce are both solid tools, but they serve different needs. ConvertKit is better if you're looking for simplicity, ease of use, and integration with email marketing. Unbounce, however, is the better choice if you're after advanced customization, A/B testing, and more robust landing page optimization features. Both platforms are great, but after testing all of them, if you want something that hits all the marks for landing pages and helps you maximize conversions, there's a better alternative. I've included a link in the description that will give you the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out. Check it out now.